Gay-Lussac's law experiment by Chloe and Amelia. So the Gay-Lussac's law states that when the temperature of a gas increases, the pressure exerted by the gas also increases. So it is a direct variation, and we're going to show that to you with our experiment. Okay, so for the experiment, you're going to need a lighter, a wooden stick, an aluminum plate, some water and food coloring to mix together, a 500 milliliter beaker, a mason jar, and a test tube clamp. So there we placed a candle on the plate, but we needed a way for it to stick on the plate. So we lighted a candle and made a little bit of wax melt on the plate so that when we put the candle, it would stay there. So there what we did is that we put some water in a beaker and we put some purple food coloring so that we could see the water clearly, and then we poured it on the aluminum plate. There we're taking a mason jar and putting it in the center of the plate on top of the candle so that the flame would wear down because there would be no oxygen left. And you'll be able to see if you look down on the plate that the water is actually rising in the mason jar, and that's because of the pressure and temperature. So a sum up of what happened is that when we put the mason jar on top of the candle, the flame went out, which means that the temperature increased because the volume became smaller. Because the temperature increased, the pressure also increased. The pressure increased meant that there was more molecules in the mason jar, so the water could rise in it. So that explains the Gay-Lussac's law. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed.